Hello, how are you, my smart kids? I know you all are fine and you all are enjoying our online classes and the videos. So, what are we going to learn in this video? Yes, we are going to learn next four alphabet, that is P, Q, R and S. So, let me show you the friends of P alphabet, that is pencil and pen. And next alphabet, which is the next alphabet? Yes, Q. Q for quill. I am having the quill of peacock. Yes, peacock is a colorful bird and it is our national bird also. Now next alphabet, that is R. What I have worn in my finger? Ring. Yes, it is ring. R for ring. And next, that is S. S for swan and S for soap. We all are using soap in the morning to take bath, right? Yes. So now let's work in our notebook and workbook. This is alphabet P. First we are going to trace with the help of finger. Standing line and curve. 1 number and 2 number. Now use pencil. 1 number line and 2 number, that is curve. Now we are going to trace here. Standing line and curve. Standing line, curve. P for pencil. P for pencil. Trace this line also, and now right here start with red point. Standing line and curve. Standing line and curve. Like this you have to complete whole page. Now next page. Next is Q. Trace with the finger. 1 number, 2 number. Circle and slanting line. Q. Now move pencil. Circle and slanting line. Q. Circle and slanting line. Q for quill. Q for quill. Like this you have to trace all this Q and now write down here. Q for quill. Q for quill. Now next page. This is R alphabet. It is up to here you can see like P, right? And do one slanting line, so it will become our R. 1 number and 2 number. Standing line, curve and slanting line. Trace these are standing line, curve and slanting line. R for rose. R for ring. R for rainbow also, and R for rabbit also. R for rose. Like this you have to trace and then write here. Standing line, curve and slanting line. R for rose. Now next page. This is S alphabet. Move your finger first. Curve. You have to do 2 curve in this. 1 and second. 1 and second. This alphabet is a little difficult for you. Let's try this also. First curve and then second curve. Now trace this. 1, 2. Yes, right. S for sun. This is sun, this is soap, and this is seesaw. S for sun. Like this, you trace all these S and then write it down here. S for sun. S for sun. Like this, you write these 2 lines also. This is page of our notebook. I have written 3 times P and drawn pencil. Now let's start with the red line. P for pencil. P for pencil. P for pencil. Start with the red line, do standing line up to second blue line and then curve. P for pencil. 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 Like this, you have to write one after one in a sequence like this and full page. Now write next alphabet. Next alphabet is Q. Q for quill. Q for quill. Write O first and then one slanting line. Q for quill. 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 Speak and write, okay? Q for quill. Q for quill. Q for quill. Now turn your page. Next alphabet. Next alphabet is R. R for rose. R for ring. And R for rainbow. And R for rabbit. Write it down. Standing line, curve and slanting line. You write first like a P and do slanting line. Fine. R for rose. 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 Now you know how to write R. So move to the next alphabet. Next alphabet is S. S for sun. Start writing first curve and then second second curve. S for sun. 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 You have to write between these three lines, okay? S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. Like this you have to complete whole page. Okay kids, take care. Bye bye.